In this video, we'll show you how to fix zoom issues on Snapchat. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be frustrating if you're unable to zoom in or if the zoom is too intense. We'll go over some fixes you can try for different issues. First, open Snapchat and check the zoom settings at the bottom of the screen. Try adjusting it to your preferred zoom level. For example, setting it to 1x for normal zoom. See if that resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, try restarting Snapchat. To do this, swipe up to open your app switcher, then swipe Snapchat off the screen to close it. Reopen the app and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue persists, it might help to reinstall Snapchat. Tap and hold the Snapchat icon, then select Remove App. Once it's deleted, go to the App Store, search for Snapchat, and reinstall it. Hopefully, one of these solutions will resolve the issue. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.